Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Monday, August 21st, and today is the last day of this month. So tomorrow we start a new month. Today is the last month of August. Today is the last day of August, and we're going to continue tomorrow with September. And after September, we continue with October. Very good. So, what you're going to do today in your math class is that, as you remember, last week you had a homework on book page 48. So, last week you had a homework on book page 48. So, you have to complete those exercises following the signs. So, what you have to do today is to check your answers in each one of the exercises. Check your answer in exercise letter A, B, C, D, or E. Last week, I told you to complete those ones. So what you have to do here is to follow the sign. If it is an addition, you are going to add. If it is a subtraction, you are going to subtract. So check your answers, please. Don't forget that we are working on page 48. After you finish with this exercise, we're going to continue with the next one. Number 5, add commas. Add commas and circle the 100,000 place. So, what you're going to do is to separate the commas, with commas, the numbers where it is necessary. And we use commas after what? After thousands. So, after each thousands, we're going to use comma. So you're going to separate with commas, and also you're going to circle the 100,000 place. Now, in your notebooks of math, you're going to do the following thing. Open your math notebook, please. So in your math notebook, you're going to copy this chart in exact way as it is here. You're just going to copy the chart. Here I have ones, here I have tens, I have hundreds, I have thousands, I have 10,000s, and I have 100,000. So what does that mean? That this number have 100,000 numbers. And the number 2, this one, the number 2, is 1, represent the ones. The number 5 represents what? The number 5 represents the tens. The hundreds represents what? The hundreds are represented by the number 3. So, for example, if I said 332, that means that these three that I have here, it is 100. This one other 3 that I have here is a tens. And the number 2 that I have here, it is a ones. Yes. So please, in your notebook, copy this chart and also those numbers as an example of where a place value is always written. After you finish with the chart, tomorrow we are going to continue working with the activities or exercises from book page 48. I hope you understood what you have to do is just to copy this chart in your notebook. So tomorrow we are going to work on that. See you until next class. Hugs and kisses and blessings.